Sports car people, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneers at our 54th annual Auburn auction. Standing in front of one of the great road cars of its time, poster car for many of you. This is a 1987 Lamborghini. This Countach is the 5000QV edition. Incredibly popular, iconic colors, gold wheels. Really great car. Recent service, about $30,000 has been spent on it just this summer. So this car is ready to hit the road and enjoy. Like I said, iconic. And if you want a car that's a great road car, you can get in, drive, usability for all the shows, the meets, everything. This car will get you just about anywhere. And if you are an attention seeker, well, it might even help you with that too. Long story short, great car, going to be sold here this Saturday here at the Auburn auction. Come and join us. One of the fastest appreciating segments of the market are these 80s Lambos. Don't miss it. If you want a great Lambo, it's right here. Come see us in Auburn, Indiana.